Alright, today we're going to be changing a mirror on a 2005 Chevy Equinox. And it's going to be the right passenger side mirror. All you're going to need is a 10mm wrench or a 10mm socket and ratchet. You can do this job in about 3 minutes. You're going to start off with taking the speaker trim cover off. There's a top clip. You just pull on it. Don't worry about breaking because it's metal. And then there's 2 plastic tabs below that. The one wiring harness is for the speaker or the tweeter. The second wiring harness is for the mirror itself. There's a little clip down low. You pull down on that clip lightly and pull the socket lightly out. You got 3 10mm nuts, 1 up top, 2 down low. Out comes the mirror. The new mirror just goes in the same way you took the old one out. You line up your 3 holes. You plug in your wire. You put in your 3 10mm nuts. Always remember, rotating counterclockwise will loosen them. Rotating clockwise will tighten them up. Once they are fully tight, you can now put in your tweeter trim cover back on. You start off with your 2 low tabs. Line them up and then put in your top clip and you're done.